Okay, now every single chakra has a position along your spine. It has an endocrine gland that it's associated with. And the endocrine gland is actually the physical secretor of the hormones that are triggered by this chakra's activation. And it's so cool when you understand how this works. Each chakra also has a color associated with it because, believe it or not, as you move from the base chakra, which is red, the lowest and slowest visible vibration to the human eye, and you move up towards the crown, to the ultraviolet purple of the crown, within each one of these chakras is contained a part of the universal energies that we as humans have access to. And each one is a separate part of that rainbow. So each chakra has a color associated to it, and that same color is used everywhere in society to communicate that chakra's energy. So stop signs and red lights are always red. They're never purple, because that energy is universally understood to all human beings. Right? And we'll go through and I'll explain more. Orange, for example, is the energy of joy and enthusiasm, universally. It's found that if you're doing digital marketing, the best color to make your click buttons, to make people click, are orange, because that communicates joy and excitement and enthusiasm, right? So these color associations I'm going to be showing you correspond to the 7 chakras as well. Also, each chakra has a set of different associations, a set of different frequencies that you can work with. You can also work with different stones or crystals to open it. And we'll talk a little bit more about that later. But it's important to understand that each chakra is its own world that has to be understood.